Hey, this is Tony at Rut Manufacturing. This is a little teaser of a new product we're getting ready to come out with. This is a Rut Manufacturing side boom mower. This mower is going to be perfect for taking debris and brush down, clearing the fence line, clearing the road, little right of way. Great for managing hunting property. Perfect if you got a pond or something, you want to get the weeds and stuff off, angle it right down, go along. This is a prototype model here. Liable to be a couple of little changes, little tweaks as we're coming out with it, but this is just a teaser of a product that's soon to come.